Okay, so I'm trying to figure out which way I came in to the mall. This is a very real part of coming into this mall. I came in the store Portabella, I think it was called. So literally, I don't know if it was lower level, top level, any of that. So we have to find that. Maybe it's better to just go outside and look. And honestly, that might be the better move. And I'm pretty sure it was towards this side of the mall. And it's a very busy mall, so sometimes you have to come in a different way, depending on where you park or whatnot. So it is on this side. I do know, I'm pretty sure of that. So we're going to stroll this way. Okay, I actually see the store now. So that's cool. So we can actually relax a little bit. So the store is over that way. So we're actually pretty good. We're pretty good right now. All right, so we're by the Johnny Rockets. Okay, got it. Okay, so we can look around a little bit by the food court. So let's do a time check. It's 6:23 p.m. And it's June 26, 2026. June 2026. Alrighty, so we know where we're going. The store I came in is this way. So at least I know, and knowing is half the battle. G.I. Joe. It's actually so true, that simple phrase, that simple tagline. Portabella, right there. spot to come in right here. Let's see what we got here. I don't want to get my hands all sticky. Yeah, give it a whirl. Cool, thanks, brother. Tastes like ice cream. Wow. This totally tastes like ice cream right now. Pretty crazy. No problem. It's actually pretty good. Not sure what that is, but it tastes pretty good. Okay. All right, let's stroll this way. Now my hands are all sticky from that sample. It was pretty good though. Okay. Let's go. Alrighty, let's go, let's go, let's go. 50% off, a lot of 50% off here today. Buy one, get one free. $34.99, end of season. $79, Brazil, right there. Not a bad spot to come in here. Have a good one, man. Peace. All right. Jersey Gardens Mall. All right. Back on the outdoors. And it didn't rain. The forecast was rain today. That's why we're here today. But even if it didn't rain, it was still a great day in there. A lot of people, super packed, super awesome, great spot. There's the Newark Airport. You see that plane coming up. Wow, my hands are so sticky right now. It's crazy. Look at that plane right there. The Newark Airport. The plane's coming from here, nearby. Pretty wild. Right by the mall. Pretty awesome, right? Pretty wild. Okay, let's see where I parked. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, I hear the beep, beep. All right. June 14th, 2026. Jersey Gardens Mall. Wow, 85 degrees out here. 6:30 p.m. So yeah. All right, so the whole video might be going on a full experience playlist. Some videos will be on the POV channel. Some will be on the Brian channel. That's Pibry POV and Brian Pibry. And it's BRYAN PIBRY, of course, Pibry. And you know, Pibry POV. And so yeah, look at that plane. Pretty cool, right? Cool way to end the video, right? The plane going over the mall. That's pretty wild. Let's see that. Then they fly near my house. Pretty cool. The big plane over the mall. All right, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, great night, great evening. God bless. Peace out. See you in the next one.